All right, we're working on balancing chemical equations. And if you remember, a while ago, we took some magnesium and we put it in the flame, if you remember. And what does fire need? It needs oxygen, O2. So we took the magnesium, we put it in a flame, and it produced a whole bunch of light, but it also produced some white powder called magnesium oxide. Now, so here's the chemical equation, but it is not balanced. What we start with, these are the reactants on the left side. They must equal the products on the right side. They have to equal each other. And the only way you're able to do this is by adding numbers in front. Sometimes it helps to put little lines there telling you that's the only place you're allowed to add numbers. For instance, right now, there's invisible ones in front of everything. There's one magnesium, 1 times 2. There's two oxygens, 1 magnesium on the right side and 1 oxygen on the right side. So get rid of those. All right. And we'll put a little lines back. And so sometimes it helps. You don't have to do this. You can put a line down and just kind of keep a running total of your elements. And I see right here, I have 1 magnesium and I have 2 oxygens. On the right side, I have 1 magnesium and 1 oxygen. I can clearly see the magnesiums are already balanced, but the oxygens are not. There's 2 over here and only 1 on this side. Sometimes you can see it where almost like a teeter-totter. There's 2 oxygens on this side and only 1 over on the right. So I need to add something to this side to make it equal or to balance out. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. Okay? That 2 goes for everything behind it until you get to a plus sign or an arrow. I have created 2 oxygens. But in the process, I've made how many magnesiums? 2. So now the oxygens are balanced, but the magnesiums are not. No problem. I just go back here to the left side and put a 2 there. That makes 2 magnesiums, and the whole thing is balanced. Okay? Let's clear all this off. If I can get it off. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. I've got some videos on there for you to also help you. Let me do a little more difficult one, and then I'll let you guys try. All I ask you to do is try. You can email the sheet to me, and they could all be wrong, but if you've tried, you just got an A. Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. So I'm going to take some phosphorus. In this case, it's P4, some oxygen, and that yields tetraphosphorus decaoxide. But anyway, can you see that the phosphoruses are already balanced? There's 4 here and there's 4 there. The problem is there's 2 oxygens here and 10 over here. So a lot of kids think, I'll take care of that. I'll put I guess I'll put an 8. Because 8 plus 2 is 10. But we always multiply. Always multiply. So if I put a 5 here, what's 5 times 2? 10 oxygens, and that equals the 10 right there. You're done. The only thing you had to do, is put a 5 right there. That's it. You don't have to rewrite anything else. All you had to do was that, and you are finished. Okay, so hopefully that makes some sense. All I ask you to do is try. If you have any questions, let me know.